In this video, we're going to weigh SEO against PPC, and you're going to learn 7 reasons SEO should be prioritized over paid media. Stay tuned. And welcome back, marketeers, to the one channel that will always give you the best insight and tutorials in digital marketing. If you like the content of this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to show your support and to make sure you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Now let's get down to it. For starters, I have nothing against PPC. On the contrary, I'm all for it. Both SEO and PPC strategies used in tandem will have a greater impact on revenue than either alone. I always encourage multi-channel marketing strategies. Regardless of the theme of this video, certain companies may still decide that PPC works better alone for their particular business model, and that's okay. But in my experience, when SEO is done right, it leads to higher volumes of traffic at a better cost per lead than paid search. However, a new business may have a harder time getting started with SEO, and paid media can offer a faster solution to revenue gains. But in general, here are the 7 reasons SEO should be prioritized over PPC. First, SEO is more cost effective. Let's cut to the chase and start with what's most important to business owners: return on investment. ROI can be a bit harder to calculate on an SEO campaign as opposed to a paid media campaign, since it can take months to start seeing a return on SEO. It can sometimes require a larger initial investment. So any formulas you use are not near as accurate as PPC models. While SEO is neither cheap nor easy, it's still more cost effective in the long run, because once a strong SEO strategy has been implemented, you generally see a snowball effect of relevant traffic and conversions. Generally speaking, SEO has a smaller CPA, or cost per acquisition, than PPC, which means a higher ROI. Of course, a great strategy requires a competent, studied, and experienced SEO to be truly effective. SEO has longevity. Unlike PPC, organic traffic doesn't go away when you stop paying for it. It will more or less continue at its current traffic volumes for quite a while without further assistance. So if your marketing budget gets cut, you don't have to worry about sales dropping, at least not anytime soon. Trust and credibility. Ranking high in organic results for a number of pages on your site can influence the perceived credibility of your brand. Users give companies in organic results much more respect as an authority and tend to trust them more than those running ads. Organic links are preferred. While there are exceptions, you tend to receive more clicks from high-ranking organic listings than with ads. When users search for something on Google, the vast majority, between 70 and 80%, scroll past the ads in order to get to the organic results. So high organic rankings lead to more overall traffic than paid ads, period. SEO is scalable. Given the company has any size to it, scaling your SEO efforts is just about setting up the right process and systems to increase your output efficiently, creating templates and automation techniques, and coordinating with other departments to make sure everyone is working towards the same goal. Improving the efficiency of the campaign will save you money on your campaign and improve your results. SEO has cumulative results. It continues to add value over time. It continuously builds on the authority of the domain. And your ROI will be cumulative as well. With PPC, this isn't the case. With paid ads, there are limits, and when the ads are turned off, obviously the visibility stops. It can also provide higher quality website traffic. It boosts the website traffic that generates leads by educating your would-be consumers or clients about your product or business. Traditionally, paid advertisement landing pages have minimal information and are designed to convert with quick taglines and promotional benefits without giving any real information about what the users are opting into. This isn't always the case. It does depend on the type of business and lead or sale they're trying to get. Sometimes they just send the paid traffic to the same pages they're wanting to rank organically. So on this point, it does depend on the circumstances, but as a general rule, the traffic quality is higher with high-ranking organic pages. I hope all of that helps you determine how important SEO can be for your business. As a side note, there's always some looming topic of SEO being dead or dying. Don't believe it. As long as there are search engines, which there always will be, businesses will still need optimization. To quote Bruce Clay, often referred to as the father of SEO, the only thing that is constant in search is change. If you are good at the game, you win. If you do not adapt, then you die. But SEO does not. SEO is forever. Thanks for joining me, and if you notice any points I may have missed in the video, please leave a comment below. If you like the content of this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on all the tips and tutorials that will be coming out in the future. Say hi to the camera.